welcome back to my channel. So it's early morning and our today's destination is Keshavpuram. By the way, why Keshavpuram? As हमारा जो डिबेट कंपटीशन है वो केशवपुरम में ही होगा, वेयर आई एम विजिटिंग एज अ वॉलंटी. सो लेट्स गो. उसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें जाना पड़ेगा एनएसपी, क्योंकि वहीं से हम चेंज करके जाएंगे केशवपुरम. अभी हम जा चुके हैं अंडरग्राउंड में. अंडरग्राउंड से निकलते ही हमारे पास आएगा एनएसपी. अब हम आ चुके हैं एनएसपी से यू हैव टू टेक अ वेरी 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 लॉन्ग कट. और पास करने के बाद आ चुकी हूँ केशवपुरम के प्लेटफॉर्म. नॉट केशवपुरम, आई हैव टू टेक हेयर ट्रेन टू केशवपुरम. इसके बाद हम पहुँच जाएंगे केशवपुरम और वहाँ से निकल के हम पहुँच जाएंगे द डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन. बाय द वे, ये व्यू बहुत अच्छा था तो मैंने इसका भी एक कट ले लिया. और अब हम पहुँच चुके हैं फाइनली द डेस्टिनेशन वेयर there is a debate competition. So देखते हैं अंदर का interlook. It's really professional. As I entered, it was like, and I was not aware that that this competition has been organized by one of my friend, and he was also the founder of the society. So it was quite surprising to me, as I was expecting him to be a participant. And here is me, क्योंकि मेरा बैग वहाँ पड़ा है. और यहाँ का इंटरलुक बहुत अच्छा था. द एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई हैव गॉट देयर वाज आल्सो गुड, एंड आई हैव मेट अ लॉट ऑफ गुड पीपल हियर. So after all, I had fun here. So this was the location where the debate competition has been organized. और सुबह सुबह का environment बहुत ही peaceful लग रहा था बाहर का, and timing was quite early, but I reached at the timing. So here it was a very professional environment. और यहाँ पे कुछ गेस्ट बुलाए गए थे जो कि CLC से थे, and these both have been from our college only. Here is he, the president, Mr. President. So he is going to judge now, so sending him off now.
Good morning everyone, esteemed judges, organizer of everybody's and participants. Welcoming the eminent debate.
लोकतंत्र का महाउत्सव है चुनाव. देश की नई दिशा एवं दशा तय करता है चुनाव. हर मत का अपना भाव है, क्योंकि सियासत की तख्ता पलट करता चुनाव है. मान्यवर, आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि भारत में एक राष्ट्रीय चुनाव का आयोजन नया
चुनावों में उलझे रहना चाहते हैं या एक संगठित, स्थिर और विकासशील भारत देखना चाहते हैं. हमारे देश में हर साल हर महीने
विषयों में केंद्र को सर्वोच्चता दी गई है, कुछ विषयों में राज्य को सर्वोच्चता दी गई है. तो अगर इनमें लोग देखते हैं तो जो
से यहाँ उपस्थित हूँ और आज यहाँ चर्चा का विषय है वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन, जिसके मैं समर्थन में कुछ अपने विचार रखना चाहूँगा. अभी मैं साथी को सुन रहा था जिस हिसाब से उन्होंने बारे में उन्होंने कहा
that goes to the very heart of our democratic system. The topic, one nation, one election, seems to be straightforward and appealing. The notion of one nation, one election. Firstly, if there are frequent elections held every year in some or the other states or the central government, state and local body.
But the question arises that is it actually for the benefit of our country, or it is just a blatant far grab?
They will be forced to make long-term plans. They will be forced to take nation and state issues alike. What they do is short-term politics. When they come to the central election, they tell you about defense and finance. They immediately think that they're grappling power by doing so. It is more time for them to.
सरकारिया कमीशन has given certain suggestions and we can go forward with that. If political parties and leaders are willing, and if political parties and leaders are not, stability collapses. The second is that somehow there will be better governance, more development, and they only work for development.
Elections are the festival just not of logistical convenience, but of political maturity, financial prudence, and national unity. Imagine India, where governance is set.
when people speak through their minds and through their votes write the future of it.
Might be local idea, but it's not practical in nature. The so-called cost-effectiveness of the proposals comes with the fact that the purchase of EVM and VVPAT machines will incur a cost of minimum of ₹9,284.
आंकड़े उठाए जाएं तो इससे पता चलता है कि एक लोकसभा चुनाव कराने में 60,000 करोड़ रुपए का पैसा.
Sanchit Hathi, that is federal system.
राष्ट्रीय चुनाव के पक्ष में अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ। जैसा कि आप सभी चुनाव को फिर से बाहर करना चाहिए, क्योंकि 1952 से लेकर 1967 तक के पहले से ही एक राष्ट्रीय चुनाव लागू था देश में।
Ourselves as the cradle of democracy, and one nation, one election is our magnum opus, a giant leap forward, a monumental unification of the nation's voice. It's like condensing a library of diverse stories into a single epic novel. Every chapter represents a region. Every page turns with the collective heartbeat of millions. What else do we want? Think about a student preparing for the final exams. A test every week, every fortnight, PT, UT, WT, midterm finals. A never-ending saga of tests. What pressure, what strain, what stress. But what if, like final exams, elections were held once a year? More time for life's choice. Oh, did we ever want?
से बच्चों की शिक्षा पे भी बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होता है महोदय। महोदय, तीसरी चीज है जब चुनाव हो भी जाता है।
The features were so grand, a bit less vibrant, a balance of power and a longer lifespan. I wondered deeply, weighing each choice with care. One nation, one election. In our daily practice.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Vivek, slot number 15, and I'll be speaking against the motion. So, my first point is it will be a threat to federalism. Before we jump into that, let's understand what is the federalism. In a federal system, the power is divided between different levels of the government. Let us say currently the central government have different power, the state have different, and the local bodies have different powers. But if one nation, one election is adopted, in that case it will confer power, weakening the actions of cooperative federalism. To truly bring the change at the ground level, we should decentralize the power and allocate more resources to local level instead of centralizing the control. Coming to the second point, dominance of national issues over state issues. If elections are conducted in such a way, then national issues will always overshadow state-specific concerns.
One nation, one election is so crucial, then why after almost 2 decades, the elections to Haryana and Maharashtra were held separate? Number 65 and is speaking for the motion. The concept of simultaneous elections is in fact not new to the nation. We have seen simultaneous elections since 1951-52, which was the first ever elections ever conducted by the country post-independence. Talking about the current scenario, on an average, we witness 5 to 7 elections to the state assemblies, and this adversely impacts all the